Okay guys, I got this climate control out of a 2002 Honda Accord. These styles I believe fit 2000 to 2002, they may be newer. This is the digital one with the screen. There's also one without screens, button up here. So I'm going to show you how to replace the factory lights with LEDs. Okay, so first thing we're going to remove this cover right here, just with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so we remove that, put that to the side. Now we got the board here. This makes it a lot easier to remove these. So this is the kit that I bought off of eBay. I'll link that in the description, but this is really helpful because there are 3 different sizes, and just buying them individually it'll cost a lot more. So I definitely recommend buying one of these on eBay, and I'll link it in the description and in the comments as well. Okay, so first we're going to put a flathead screwdriver here, and we're going to turn all of these counterclockwise until it stops. From there, we can pop them out. Okay, we got them all out. Let's check them out really quick. So we have 3 that size, and then 3 of the smaller ones. So what I have to replace them is 3 of these LEDs and then 3 of the smaller ones. So let's put them in. And these bigger ones are Neo Wedge T 4.7. So what size they are. So these small ones are T 4.2. Okay, so once you get them in, you want to turn them. Okay, so I got a bigger one. Really want to push down, turn it. So push down, turn it. Push down, turn. Push down, turn. Push down, turn. Push down and turn. So these, if you see here, this has to line up with that silver piece. So it has to be straight horizontal line, and that's how you know that it is set in there. So another thing that goes bad on these is this one right here, this light. This is for the clock. So to remove that, we just go like that, pop it out, and then this one is a T 4.0. So we're going to put that in there and turn it. And we're going to use the bigger one, turn it. So that's how you do it. With these LEDs, what you're going to want to do is plug them in. So plug this into the car, turn it on. If it doesn't light up, you're going to remove it. Okay, so if it's stuck in like this and it doesn't work and it doesn't light up, you're going to remove this, turn it 180 degrees, put it back in, and that should work, because it doesn't have a plus and a minus, a positive and a negative, so you kind of just have to guess and check. So I usually put them all in, plug it into the car, and see which ones light up, and if some don't, I'll note which ones they are, take it out, and then remove them and turn them 180 degrees and put them back in. So I would just go out to your car and plug this one in just like this without putting the cover back on, and make sure that they all work. And if they don't, just remove it, turn it 180 degrees, put it back in, and that should fix it. Again, I will link the set for these, the LED set, on eBay. They're a lot cheaper than buying them individually. And just make sure that you buy the correct one for your vehicle. So hopefully that helped, and thanks for watching.